Okay, hi everybody. I got my junk journal out to start working in it today. I have never worked in one like this before, and I'm hoping I can just let go, be free, and just have some fun throwing down paint and glue and whatever else I see on my table. I've laid out a few things just to make the video go a little faster. That I have some crackle paste, some different Jane Davenport paints and goldens. I don't know that I'll use any of this, but I just laid out a few things. Some washi tape, a few jelly printed papers that I may or may not use, some pre-cut like butterflies in blues and greens. I got a package of those somewhere once. I think the Dollar Tree, I'm not positive. This is a cool pack. I just opened it for the first time. It's Tim Holtz, and it's all these like vintage photos, but they've been put onto this cardstock, and men, women, children, just old antique photos. I love these things. So I'm going to try to incorporate some of this into it, and a couple of doodads that I've put around here. So let's just get going and see what happens. I have no idea. I'm not even sure where to start on it. So all right. See, I'm already overthinking. I think I'm going to try to just go ahead and work in this first section a little bit. How about this? Good enough. Okay. One thing I do not have out, and I need out, is my gesso. My glue stick. Where's that? Right here. All right. So I think the first thing I'd like to do is just lay down a little gesso. I just need something to get started here with. I need something bigger than that. Hang on. I need some new brushes really bad. So I'm not trying to cover up everything on the page, but I am trying to just, here, I like this better. Let's see, this is a Pthalo Blue. Let's see what this is like. I'm just going to get a bubble, looks like. There we go. Ooh, that was a lot. I bet that's a lot of pigment too. Oh my goodness, oh well. Alright, here's what I got to do with some of that. I got to put it somewhere else. Oh, let me lay that over there. Now, if I don't want those pages to stick together and be a mess, I need to put some parchment between them. Let me do that right quick. Oh, that's kind of cool. Alrighty. A little bit of this. I'm not going to think too hard or too long about anything. So what I want to try to do is just lay some things down without worrying too much about placement or anything really. like that contrasting color, so I want to bring that to kind of the both sides of the page. And I might put just a little pink elsewhere on it. I think it would behoove me to put just a little gesso on my plate so I have it ready to go. So if I get too much of a color, I can always I'm going to put a little bit of yellow on the plate. That way I can mix. Do we ever get over finger printing? I don't think so. Or finger painting. I still love it after all these years. And it's getting on other pages. I don't even care. I love the freedom of it. I don't use washi tape a whole lot. I'm not really sure why. I mean, there's people that have serious addictions to it. Oh, I guess I've just gotten into that yet, but I am trying to just experiment. And I think that needs a little help staying down anyway. Maybe just a piece of this. It's pretty bright. Oh, have I got hold of a new one here? I'm not sure I want to go through what it takes to get open a new one because I'm trying to do this page fast. Okay, that made that decision for me. So here's a little bit of textile that I'll put down there. That's much too big. Let me play with some of these smaller ones. Like that. Oh, that's kind of like him. He looks like he wants to travel the world. Okay. Spread a little bit of this crackle paste on both sides. I have not used it before, but it looks really cool. And I love the finished effect it'll give on a page because it's going to dry matte, but with crackles in it, that'll grow good on a page like this. So, oh, there's something else. Oh, I know what I want. So I'm still trying to back out some of this bright blue that just got out of hand here. This is a little Jane Davenport bronze, metallic bronze in the tube. And if you ever watch those videos and they'll tell you, they said it's going to go through an ugly stage before it gets good. Well, that's kind of where I feel like I am right now. I am in a very ugly stage, and I'm not quite sure what to do. But I will keep pressing on. I just want to tone back that map. I don't want to make it completely disappear, but I just want to keep it from being so out there. I should have done that before I put the crackle paste on, but oh well. This is a live and learn. I'm going to have to wait till the page dries and glue that little booger back down. So now I just want to make some marks. I've got, let's see. So sometimes I just cut out my magazine words to keep on hand when I just need to do really fast pages, like that. There we go. Just dip my pencil in a little water and make it. I'm just doing some scratches in some of this, just getting a little texture. I don't always know where I'm going with it, but that's okay. So I'm just playing with color and pattern and texture, and that's what I love. Kind of want to do a little something here to make these guys stand out a little bit. I kind of want to just make it milled in a little stark. See what it looks like if I just, yeah. So I just need to get it dry so I can finish gluing that down, and then I'll be good to go there. Doing the same thing to the sign to make it kind of stand out. I like that. Fast, quick page. I'm not going to obsess anymore. Good start. It was fun play. And I have never done a junk journal like this before, but I don't know. I think I'm going to like it because it doesn't put, I don't know, there's something about this clean, pristine page that, you know, it can play with your mind sometimes. We don't know where to start. And if you're new at this, it's very much like that. So if you're new at any kind of art journaling, this might be a good way for you to start. Just because there's already a little something on these pages, because they're not just plain white pages that you're putting together in a junk journal usually. They're everything from bags to maps to music. And so there's something already there to play with. So I think on the next one, I maybe do a little drawing. A little painting and collaging on the next one. But this was fun just to get started and play and see what these products will do. So I'll wait for this to dry and finish gluing this back down and leave it open so that it'll do all those things. And then I'm going to go on to the next thing. Thanks for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you would, and subscribe, and hit that bell if you want to know when I put out new videos. It'll give you a little notification to let you know I've uploaded a new one. Sorry about my voice today, guys. I'm still battling something. I don't even know what. But we'll just plug on. So y'all have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.